Hello everyone! I just finished week 1 of my summer program. It's been really interesting so far. On Saturday we took a day trip to New York City. It was a pretty cool trip, even if it was a little rainy. We took a powerboat ride in the river and got to see the Statue of Liberty. When we first got to New York, we went to see the Natural History Museum. Here's some cool dinosaur fossils. While we were there, we got to see a show in the Hayden Planetarium. You know, the one run by this guy. It was a really cool show talking about dark matter and dark energy. According to About.com, dark matter is a hypothesized form of matter particle that does not reflect or emit electromagnetic radiation. Scientists hypothesized its existence when they looked at galaxies and, based on the mass that they could observe, realized that the galaxies shouldn't have been able to hold themselves together. So they hypothesized that there was some unseen matter that was adding extra mass. So no one actually knows what it is, but the universe doesn't make sense without it, so dark energy has a similar story. From About.com, dark energy is a hypothetical form of energy that permeates space and exerts a negative pressure, which would have gravitational effects to account for the differences between the theoretical and observational results of gravitational effects on visible matter. Basically, scientists originally thought that the universe should be decelerating its expansion. Because of all the gravity of all of the galaxies in the universe, they should be attracting each other and slowing each other down. However, they observed that the universe's expansion was actually accelerating. To account for this, they hypothesized dark energy. Dark energy makes up 72% of the known universe. Dark matter makes up 23%, and regular matter makes up only 4.6%. Think about it. Every single star, nebula, planet, or speck of dust in the universe makes up only 4.6% of what's actually out there. This show made me really think about how large the universe actually is. In one scene, they showed a representation of the entire known universe, surrounded by a bubble of background radiation. There were so many specks of light that it almost looked solid. Each speck of light wasn't a star, but it was either a galaxy or a cluster of galaxies, each containing trillions of stars. It's hard to fathom how big our sun is, let alone how big a whole galaxy is. And yet, in this one shot, each galaxy was only a tiny speck. The universe is so massive, it's insane. But I think this was an interesting show to see while on a nuclear chemistry program. Nuclear science deals with the unfathomably small, and yet all these tiny particles make up a universe that is so unfathomably large. Well, that's it for today. Come back next week for another video. Be sure to watch Emily's video tomorrow, and please like and subscribe. Bye!